Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make an account on Canva and how to use Canva to make a well-designed presentations and graphics. So, if you are new at my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. First of all, we need to type Canva on our Google bar. When you type a Canva, you can see a lot of results. We'll click on the first website. Here is the main interface. We have to log in first. If you have an account, you can log in, and if you don't have any, and then you can sign up to create an account. Then I'll type my Gmail, or you can continue with Google. So here is the main interface of Canva. You can see a lot of options here. For example, documents, whiteboards, presentations, social medias, videos. You can design all these options by using just a free version of Canva. You can buy also a pro version, but you can experience a lot of options in free version. If I click on whiteboard, then you can see here are a lot of options: flowchart whiteboards, team whiteboards, any type of document, any type of graphics, and full-fledged presentations can be prepared on Canva. Desktop wallpapers and a lot more can be prepared on this. Infographics, desktop wallpapers, graphs, book covers. You can pick one and edit it according to your choice. If you don't want to create on your own, you can see different options on the left side of the desktop. Projects and templates, you can choose any of that. If you want to choose a YouTube thumbnail or Instagram post, you can simply click on that, or you can type it here. If I type Instagram post here, it will create the dimensions related to the Instagram post. If I want to design a YouTube thumbnail, it will create the whiteboard with YouTube thumbnails dimension. And if you want to create a customized size, you can simply click on that and you will choose width and height for your whiteboard, and also in pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters, and you can customize it according to your choice. If I want to make a YouTube thumbnail, then I'll type here YouTube thumbnails. It will create a whiteboard, blank whiteboard of YouTube thumbnails dimension. And if I am a beginner and I don't have any idea, then I can simply select any of these thumbnails given in the left tab. You can edit it according to your choice. You can add your own pictures here. You can see a lot of ideas from the left bar. Let's explore some more options. For example, if I choose this YouTube thumbnail and I want to edit this, then there are a lot of options in the left bar. If you click on the element, you can see a lot of images, lines and shapes, graphics. You can use any of that by simply selecting it. Stickers, photos, videos, audios. You can add any of that. If I want to copy this image, you can simply use short view of copy and then paste, and you can place it anywhere you want. If you want to upload your photo or your customized photo instead of this photo, then you can simply remove that and click on the upload option in the left bar, and then you can upload it from your device, and then simply click on that and it will be posted here. Then you can change the size, color, and transparency of the picture by simply click on the top bar, and you can change the transparency level of your picture, and you can also animate it by simply clicking on that. If you want to add text according to your choice, then you can simply edit that text, and if you want more, then you can click on text, and here you can add a heading, subheading. If I choose a heading, then there are a lot of options and writing styles. A variety of writing styles is present here, and you can edit it by utilizing these options. If I want to show animations, then I'll simply click on animate and it will animate the headings. You can choose in and out options and different animation styles. If I want to add a transparency to my writing, then you can click on this option and change the transparency level of your text. You can change its positions and effects. You can add all these effects in your texting style. And if you are creative enough to design on your own or draw anything, then you can simply click on the draw option and use markers of any colors, and you can design as you like. If you want to change the color of background, you can simply select on and also use a lot of options of colors. You will choose any color of your choice, and also some beautiful gradients are also present in Canva, and you can use that. If you want to create your own gradients, then you can simply choose that, and here you can see different styles of gradient. And if you want to change the gradient color, then you can simply click on that and you can shuffle the colors. If you want to change this orange color, then click on that and you can choose any color of your choice. Hence you can customize the background of your image, and then you can paste any picture and text on that. If your project is ready and you want to download that, you will simply click on the share button, and here you can see the download option. If you click on that, you can see a lot of options here: jpg, png, pdf format, and mp4 video. You can also create a gif through, and when you select on that, it will be downloaded in your particularly selected format. So this is the video of how to design a Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or any graphic or a logo according to your choice. But if you want to know how to create a full-fledged prepared presentations in just few clicks, then I'll upload video for that. Hope you like the video. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.